this video, we are going to discuss few problems on partial fraction method. First problem is find L inverse of 1 by s into s plus 1 into s plus 2. Here f of s is 1 by s into s plus 1 into s plus 2. First we have to take f of s is equal to this thing. The given problem is in the form of L inverse of f of s form. Okay. Now f of s is 1 by s into s plus 1 into s plus 2 equal to, we can write a by s plus b by s plus 1 plus c by s plus 2, equation number 1. Okay. Now we are going to find a, b and c values. Left hand side numerator term is 1. 1 is equal to, we can write a into s plus 1 into s plus 2. Except this denominator s, we have to take the other two terms values. S plus 1 into s plus 2. Plus b into, right, except this s plus 1, s into s plus 2 right here. Plus c into, except this s plus 2 right here, s into s plus 1. Okay. Now we are going to find ABC values. Put s is equal to minus 1 in this equation. If we put s is equal to minus 1 here, first term value 0 and also last term value is also 0. We are, because here s plus 1 is there, here also s plus 1 is there. If you put s is equal to minus 1 plus 1 value is 0 in the last term also. Left hand side value is 1, there is no s term here, 1 only is there. 1 is equal to, we can write first term value is 0 plus b into, what is s? Minus 1. Right here, minus 1 plus 2 plus last term value is 0. Now simplify this one. 1 equal to b into minus 1. Minus 1 plus 2 will be 1. Therefore, b is equal to 1 is equal to minus b. Therefore, b is equal to minus 1. In the similar way, we can calculate a and c values. In the same equation, substitute s is equal to 2. Left hand side value is 1 right here. If we put s is equal to minus 2 in this equation, here one s plus 2 is there. If we replace s by minus 2, here we will get 0. As well as in the second term also, if we replace here s by s minus 2, we will get here 0. First and second term values are 0. 1 is equal to 0 plus 0 plus c into, substitute here s is equal to minus 2 minus 2 plus 1. Okay. Now simplify this one. 1 is equal to c into minus 2 into minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Okay. Therefore, 1 equal to 2c, because minus 2 into minus 1 will be 2c. Therefore, c equal to 1 by 2. Okay. And then put s is equal to 0 in the same equation. If you put s is equal to 0, here one product s is there, here one product s is there, the second and third terms. Anyway, second and third term values are 0. The first term only substitute s is equal to 0. Left hand side value is 1 right here. A into 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0, because the second and third term values are 0. Therefore, 1 equal to 2a. Here 1 0 plus 1, here 1 0 plus 2 is there, which is 2. 2 into a. Therefore, a equal to 1 by 2. Now, substitute all the three values a, b and c values in equation 1 in this equation. Okay. So equation 1 becomes 1 by s into s plus 1 into s plus 2 equal to a by s. What is a? A is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 divided by s plus b by s plus 1. What is b? B is minus 1. Minus 1 by s plus 1 plus c by s plus 2. What is c? C is 1 by 2. Now apply L inverse on both sides. L inverse of 1 by s into s plus 1 into s plus 2 equal to, we can write here 1 by 2 constant, right here 1 by 2 into L inverse of 1 by s minus, in the numerator negative sign is there, no, right, we can write here minus L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 plus 1 by 2 here constant, right here 1 by 2 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 2. Now we are going to apply L inverse formula here. 1 by 2 into L inverse of 1 by s. We know that L inverse of 1 by s value is 1. L of in Laplace transform, L of 1 is 1 by s. We can write L inverse, from this we can write L inverse of 1 by s is equal to 1. Okay, L inverse of 1 by s is 1. What is our second formula? L inverse of 1 by s plus 1. What is L of e power minus at? L of e power minus at is 1 by s plus a. Okay. From this Laplace transform formula, we can easily write the inverse Laplace transform formula also. E power minus at equal to L inverse of 1 by s plus a. Here a is 1, which means e power minus t. Second term value. What is our third term? L inverse of 1 by s plus 2, which means a is 2. A is 2 means e power minus 2t. Here 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 2 into e power minus 2t, third term. Therefore 1 by 2 minus e power minus t plus e power minus 2t by 2 is the correct answer. Okay. Next problem. Find L inverse of 1 minus s by s plus 1 into s square plus 4s plus 13. In this problem also we are going to apply partial fraction method. Okay, this is our given f of s. F of s is 1 minus s by s plus 1 into s square plus 4s plus 13 equal to, we can write a by s plus 1 plus bs plus c divided by s square plus 4s plus 13, equation number 1. Okay. Now we are going to calculate a, b and c values. Here our numerator term is 1 minus s. 1 minus s is equal to, we can write a into s square plus 4s plus 13 right here plus bs plus c into s plus 1. Okay. In this equation substitute s is equal to minus 1. If you put s is equal to minus 1 here, the second term will be 0 because minus 1 plus 1 value is 0. We can easily eliminate the one term. Okay. The left hand side 1 minus s is there. 1 minus of, actually 1 minus of minus 1 is 1 plus 1 equal to a into, in the first term substitute s is equal to minus 1, a into minus 1 whole square plus 4 into minus 1 plus 13. Left hand side value 1 plus 1 is 2 equal to a into minus 1 whole square will be plus 1, 4 into minus 1 will be minus 4 plus 13. 2 equal to, simplify this one, 1 minus 4 will be minus 3, minus 3 plus 13 will be 10, 10a. Therefore a is equal to 2 by 10. 2 by 10 is nothing but 1 by 5. In the same equation, substitute s is equal to 0. If you put s is equal to 0 in this equation, we can easily find the c value. Okay, 1 minus 0, that is 1 written here, a into 0 plus 0 plus 13. Okay, plus b into s, 0 plus c into 0 plus 1. Substitute s is equal to 0. Therefore 1 is equal to 13a plus c. Okay, now only we calculated value of a. Substitute here, 1 is equal to 13 into 1 by a, that is 13, 1 by 5, that is 13 by 15 plus c. Therefore c is equal to 1 minus 13 by 5. The 13 by 5 goes to left hand side, it will be 1 minus 13 by 5. Therefore c is equal to, taking cross multiplication, it will be 5 minus 13 by 5. 5 minus 13 is minus 8. C is equal to minus 8 by 5. Okay. Now we calculated A and C values. One more value B. B is there. We have to calculate the value for B. Now we are going to equate the coefficient of s square term. Okay. Left hand side there is no s square term, which means left hand side value is 0. Okay, equating the coefficients of s square on both sides. Okay, in the right hand side, here only one s square term is there. A coefficient of s square is a, right here, a. Okay, the second term here, bs plus c into s plus 1 is there. First you multiply these two terms, then only we can easily take the s square term from this equation. Okay, bs into s will be bs square, bs into 1 will be bs plus cs plus c. Only one s square term is there. The coefficient of s square is b, right here, a plus b. Now we can write 0 equal to 1 by 5. What is this 1 by 5? Already we calculated the value of a. A is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 plus b. From this we can write b equal to minus 1 by 5. Now we are getting these three constants, a, b and c values. Now substitute these three values in equation 1, in this equation. Substitute in this equation. Okay. The equation 1 becomes 1 minus s by s plus 1 into s square plus 4s plus 13 equal to a by s plus 1. Actually, a by s plus 1 is there. The value of a is 1 by 5 plus bs. bs plus c. What is b? b is minus 1 by 5 into s minus 8 by 5, because c value is minus 8 by 5. Okay, here is the c is minus 8 by 5 divided by s square plus 4s plus 13. Here 1 by 5 constant, we can write here 1 by 5 into 1 by s plus 1, and also from the second term, in this term this denominator equation is common for both numerator term. Okay, and also here 1 by 5 is there in the two terms. Take outside common, on minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5 into, we can write s plus 8 by s square plus 4s plus 13. Okay, there is no change in the first term. 1 by 5 into s plus 1 minus 1 by 5 into s plus 8 divided by s plus 2 whole squared plus 9. Why we are writing in this form means, we need a formula format, then only we can easily apply the inverse Laplace transform formula. Okay, before we apply inverse Laplace transform formula, first we have to write in the formula format. Okay, s plus 8 is there in the numerator. This equation can be written as s plus 2 whole squared plus 9, because s plus 2 whole squared is nothing but a plus b whole squared form. If we expand this one, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 4s will come. Okay, here 4 is there, no, here 4 is there, but here 13 is there, which means we have to add one 9. If we are adding with this 9, we will get 13. S square plus 4s plus 4 plus 9. Okay, except this 9, this can be written as s plus 2 whole squared form plus 9. Okay, in the denominator we are having s plus 2. Okay, as well as we need in the numerator also s plus 2, but we are having here 8. The 8 can be written as 2 plus 6 form. Okay, okay. Now first term, the same thing, 1 by 5 into 1 by s plus 1, 1 by 5 into, now we are going to split into two parts. This denominator term is common for both numerator term. This is the first term, s plus 2 term is the first term, 6 another term. Okay, 1 minus 1 by 5 into s plus 2 by s plus 2 whole square plus 3 square is the first term. The second term is minus 1 by 5. This 1 by 5 is also common for both. Minus 1 by 5 into, here 6 is there. The 6 can be written as 2 into 3 divided by s plus 2 whole square plus 3 square. Okay. Now apply L inverse on both sides. Inverse Laplace transform. Here 1 by 5 constant, right here. 1 by 5 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 minus 1 by 5 into L inverse of s plus 2 by s plus 2 whole squared plus 3 square, minus, from this take outside 1 2, minus 2 by 5 into L inverse of 3 by s plus 2 whole squared plus 3 square. Why we are writing here 2 into 3 means, here 3 is there, we need in the numerator also 3. That's why we are writing 2 into 3. Okay. Now apply L inverse formula. L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 is nothing but e power minus t minus 1 by 5 into, first we have to remove this plus 2. If you want to remove this plus 2, first we have to write e power minus 2t into L inverse of s by s square plus 3 square minus 2 by 5 into, remove this plus 2, e power minus 2t into L inverse of 3 by s square plus 3 square. And then we can apply direct L inverse formula. E power minus t by 5 minus e power minus 2t by 5 into cos 3t. We know that L inverse of cos at is L inverse of s by s square plus a square. Here a is 3, which is equal to cos 3t. And also sin at is L inverse of a by s square plus a square. Here a is 3. We can write minus 2 by 5 into sin 3t, which is the correct answer. That's all.